Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today, last class we have already studied about the shapes and all. So today we are going to learn few activities. Okay, so the activities which are related to alphabets like A, B, C, D, what we have learned. So based on that, we are going to do some activities. So the activity name is match the following. Okay, let us see how the child will recognize. First of all, so the child should know the alphabets. Okay, some kids are very brilliant. Okay, so without knowing the alphabets also they can match, but better if they know alphabets correctly, they can match properly. So I'll show you one example here. For suppose there is a B, C, D and E. This is on one side of the section. On the other side, I am going to write the reverse of the. I am going to like mixing up alphabets or letters. Okay. So what I will do is I'll keep the C here, D here, B here, E here, and finally A here. So on one section, it should be in a series. The alphabets should be in a series. On the other side, it should be a mix up of the alphabets. Okay, I'm going to take 5 alphabets. Here also there should be 5 alphabets which are here only. For suppose, don't write other alphabets. Okay, like X, Y, Z and all, because the alphabets which are on this side should be repeated here. Okay, so now what the child should do is he has to match the correct letters. So our idea is to match the correct letters. Okay, this is our aim, to match the correct letters, so that we will come to know whether the child is having a knowledge of about letters or not. So definitely we have to ask them. So this is A. So in this section, can you find out where is A? Okay, so for definitely, so before that you draw like this. You keep some dots here so that they will not cross the dot. Okay, now what you have to do is ask, this is A, where is A in this section? Okay, definitely if the child is having a knowledge of alphabets, definitely he will show here. Okay, next B. So where is B in this section? So he will match like this. Then C. Okay, so if you put these dots, which will be helpful, otherwise the kids will rush into the alphabets, which is not correct method. Okay, so it is better to have a dots in front of this alphabets and in front of this alphabets. Okay, this is one type of method for the children to engage in the alphabets. Okay, so every time if you ask them to write ABCD, they will not be interested. So we have to do some activities. This is one type of activity. Next activity is find out the letter. For suppose I am asking to find out letter O. Letter O in the given set. Okay, for suppose I am going to write like this: A, C, D. So for suppose there is a set. Now in this set I am asking to find out O. Find out the letter O. Okay, the child should look at each line. Okay, first there are 5 lines, 5 columns and 4 rows. Now ask the child to look first at this first line, whether there is O or not. See, A, C, D, E, W, no O. Then P, Q, O, yes. So when they find out the letter, they need to circle it. Okay, then R, V, no. Then next line, S, O, yes, there is a O. Then T, U, again there is a O. The next line, X, Y, B, S, F, there is no O. This is how you can engage the kid to learn the alphabets in a engaging manner.